Resourceful prepping solutions on a budget. Prepping for unforeseen circumstances doesn't have to be a costly endeavor. This explores affordable do-it-yourself, DIY prepper projects that provide resourceful solutions without breaking the bank. From essential tools to sustainable energy sources, these projects are designed to empower preppers to enhance their preparedness on a budget. Emergency water filtration system. Creating an emergency water filtration system is a cost-effective and crucial DIY prepper project. By repurposing materials like activated charcoal, sand, and gravel, individuals can construct a makeshift filter to purify water in emergency situations. This project ensures a sustainable supply of clean water without the need for expensive filtration systems. Homemade solar oven. Harnessing solar power for cooking is not only eco-friendly, but also budget-friendly. DIY solar ovens can be constructed using simple materials like cardboard, reflective foil, and a transparent cover. This project allows preppers to cook meals using the sun's energy, reducing dependence on conventional fuel sources. DIY rocket stove. Rocket stoves are efficient and portable cooking devices that can be constructed using common materials like tin cans and insulation. This affordable DIY project provides preppers with a reliable cooking option that utilizes small amounts of fuel, making it a sustainable and cost-effective solution for outdoor cooking. Portable composting toilet for preppers seeking sustainable sanitation solutions. A portable composting toilet can be constructed using a bucket, a toilet seat, and a ceiling lid. This DIY project addresses the need for a sanitary waste disposal system in off-grid or emergency scenarios, providing an affordable alternative to commercially available composting toilets. Homemade fire starters. Fire is a fundamental element of survival, and creating homemade fire starters is a budget-friendly prepper project. By combining items like cardboard egg cartons, dryer lint, and wax, individuals can craft effective and inexpensive fire starters. This ensures a reliable source of warmth and the ability to cook food in challenging conditions. Home security improvements. Enhancing home security doesn't have to be a costly endeavor. DIY projects such as reinforcing doors with longer screws, installing window film for added privacy and protection, and creating simple motion-activated lights using solar-powered LEDs are budget-friendly ways to fortify your home against potential threats. Affordable DIY prepper projects empower individuals to enhance their preparedness without straining their budgets. From ensuring a clean water supply to creating sustainable energy sources and improving home security, these projects offer resourceful solutions for preppers seeking cost-effective ways to navigate uncertain times. By embracing a mindset of self-sufficiency and creativity, preppers can build a robust preparedness foundation without compromising financial stability.
Well, I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me. You know I always want to hear from you, and I will always try to answer back. This video has been chosen specifically for you based on your viewer history. YouTube says this is the one that you would most be interested in watching, so if you do me a favor, go ahead and click on it and watch it. Thanks very much.